In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly's round robin feature. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive in. For those who might not be familiar, Calendly is a fantastic scheduling tool that helps streamline the process of booking meetings. The round robin feature is especially useful when you have a team of members who share the responsibility of meeting with clients or other stakeholders. It allows you to evenly distribute incoming bookings among a group of people, ensuring that everyone has a fair chance to engage with potential clients. So let's get started with how to set up your round robin. First, you want to open your browser and navigate to the Calendly website. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up by providing some basic information. But if you're already a user, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard, which shows all your scheduled events and settings. Now, look for the big Inviting Create button. This button is usually located on the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click that. It will give you several options to choose from. Since we're focusing on the round robin feature today, select that option to get started. After clicking on round robin, it's time to invite the members you want to include in this scheduling setup. You'll usually find a section where you can enter the email addresses of team members. This is where you invite everyone you want to be part of the round robin meetings. You can input multiple email addresses here. Just separate them with commas and make sure they are spelled correctly to avoid sending invites to non-existent addresses. Once you've invited your team members, click the Next button to proceed. This step is essential because it helps you define the roles of each member of the team. Assign roles like user or admin carefully. An admin typically has more control over settings and can make changes that users cannot. If it's your first time, you might want to stick with the default roles for now, but you can always adjust them later. Now take a moment to review the settings you've selected for your round robin. Check to ensure that you have the right team members and roles assigned. This is a crucial step because it affects how meetings get distributed. If everything looks good, you'll look for a button, usually at the bottom of the page, that says Send Invitation. Clicking that will send out the invitations to your team members. They will receive an email inviting them to join you in this scheduling setup. That's it. You have successfully set up a round robin event in Calendly. It is as simple as inviting the appropriate users, assigning them roles, and sending out the invitations. From this point on, whenever someone books a meeting through the round robin link you share, Calendly will automatically and evenly distribute those meetings among your invited team members. As you start to utilize this feature, you might find yourself needing to tweak settings or add more members to your round robin. Remember, you can always return to your dashboard to manage your invitations and make any necessary adjustments. Using the round robin feature can be a game changer for teams that want to improve their efficiency when scheduling meetings. It reduces the back and forth communication and makes it much simpler for clients to book time with your team. That wraps up today's tutorial on how to use Calendly's round robin feature. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using technology.